Okay, so this is 135 Woodmore Court in Davenport, all right? Here's the big side yard right here. And here is the distance between the houses. Very close. Very, very close. But there's not a wall on, there's not even, well, there's windows upstairs here. But there's a big hedge that goes along the side, and there's almost, there is no fence. So you'd have to put a fence here, but it spreads out. So there's a little yard, but there's not much. Yeah. Yep, the houses are right next to each other. But on the other side, there's conservation. It's your pool. So it's conservation, I guess, as far as your eye can see. Yeah, here's the backyard. Not very much room for dogs. There's definitely an awesome view. So here's your grand entrance. Okay, so here's our tile. Here's our grand entrance. It's really super nice. Okay, off to the right looks like a formal dining. Okay, straight ahead you have a sitting room, and then the grand staircase going up to the second floor. To the left is the master. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really nice done. Really nicely done. Two huge closets. Here's the master. What's up, buddy? Overlooking the pool. Okay, then on through to the kitchen. Black granite, looks really nice. 42-inch cabinets. And here's the entertainment room. And here's your eat-in kitchen. You have so many windows overlooking this gorgeous pool deck. Complete with a super duper deluxe waterfall. Here's our office, pool deck, our pool bath. Here is our laundry. On through to the 3-car garage. Central vac. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, so here we go up the stairs. There's a huge chandelier up there, but it looks like it's out. The light bulb's out. Really nice stair rails. Really super nice. Okay, so when you get up to the landing, you've got your custom tile. Now your custom tile is laid in a diamond shape. It's not just a regular square, so they call this custom tile. And looks like all the lights up here, I can't find the switches. The columns are super, super nice. So it's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, so there should be another 4 bedrooms and 3 baths up here. So bedroom number 1 with a bath. So this is like your mini master up here. This would be your guest suite. Floor to ceiling tiles. Overlooking the conservation. Really nice view. And then this should be 2 bedrooms here with a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have 2 rooms. 1, Jack and Jill. Here's the other. So that'll be 3 bedrooms and 2 baths so far up here. And then this would be our media room. It's already got a blacked out ceiling, raised floor. Okay, so the media room's already set up. Here's where your projector goes, and it looks like here's the screen, and it's got raised floor here for row of chairs in the front and a row of chairs in the back. Okay, so this is a huge, oh my gosh, this is huge. This is just a bonus room, like a playroom or any other kind of room. Wow. This right here, this would make a very nice office. You put a wall right there, and you still have a massive bonus room. So, I mean, you could easily put an office right here, and you have all of this view. Okay, I know the houses are close together, but you still have a really nice open space. And then, look at that, the house is right there. And then you've got a balcony. So here's your balcony, and here's the view from the office. Great. Great, how you doing? So really, really nice. So this would be, I would say, an office right here with a wall right there. Second office, and then you'd still have another office. Shut the door. Okay, and then here's our final bedroom, and it has an attached bath. This place is a zoo right now. There's probably like 4 different people here, so they're going to be getting offers all day. Okay, and again, this is 135 Woodmore Court, Davenport, Florida. 5 bedroom, 5 bath, $695,000. Built in 2006. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.